Hey guys, Spencer at Z1. Today we're taking a look at our newest product offering. This is a line update for the VQ header. Heavily requested in the past was please make headers for the HR VHR flange. So as our team started to look into taking that on, they did a very serious case study against the very nice product we already offered for the VQ35DE. It's getting used across platforms all the way up to the VQ37 VHR, but it required changing exhaust pipes in between and left us limited on what vehicles we could support. So as our team took that on, they said, okay, Initiative 1, we're gonna make it fit for either. Initiative 2, we're gonna make it perform better. Initiative 3, we wanna cut the cost without compromising on the quality. So let's get into it. We'll look at the details of how we got to where we are now. At first look, you can tell a very nice set of headers. They are all 304 stainless construction from the cast header flange that's been beefed up. We've added holes for around all ports through the year ranges. Applications may change where they are using a stud, so this can help alleviate some of that install challenge to get around runners if you need to move one or not, or maybe you want to add additional if you think you're building something that's a monster and needs more holding capacity. Very nice construction there. It keeps the variance from a fabricator trying to convert a round pipe to an oval rectangular port match pipe from being such a burden, and helps these be more consistent right off the head. So port matched very clean, and then we take care of that change a little more gradually and smoother from the port shape to a round tube. From there, the mandrel bent pipes are bolted on. They're equal length and a significantly closer match than the outgoing header. We actually had a little bit of deviation in those. They were close but not perfect. In that, with the change to that part, smoother transition into the collector for the merge, and a smoother merge collector throughout. Also significant takeaway on like kind of reducing a lot of that work and expense cost in the collector. They'll bolt on to your factory exhaust system with our gaskets, very tough and robust. They still have port for the factory upstream O2. And these actually flow a little bit better than the outgoing parts. On the HR variant of the exhaust, similar construction techniques and approach for all parts. The merge collector on this set is actually a little bit larger from the cross section, and shifted again to match and make perfect power. If you talk to Sean or some of the guys in the shop, they'll even tell you how much more they like the way that these sound, different than some of our outgoing stuff, and definitely better than, you know, factory manifolds. I don't know if you've seen the quality of the VQ35DE stock exhaust manifold, but this is really something from the era. Mass produced, right? They kept costs down, which is a great thing to get into Z cars, but left quite a bit for us to gain on the performance segment. The ports were poorly matched and very uneven. They're sheet metal, multi-layer, kind of drawn together and then stitched up. There's not really anything to say about a collector, and even the exit port is disgustingly tiny. Further, if you're using the headers on a force induction application where you've got like a single turbo kit, like a Momentum or something else, we had to learn the hard way after years of abuse that actually these will decay on the inside, break down, and then come apart, running through your turbo. So yeah, avoid that if possible. Don't run single turbo kits on stock manifolds if you can avoid it. So great power to be had for these. These are designed to focus on maximum power gains. You can bolt them up with your stack cats or any other exhaust parts. If you're looking to build a race car, go for max gains. You will be very rewarded for the efforts on this job. VQ sings really well once it gets a nice set of headers underneath it. If you guys have questions on this, trying to figure out what else matches perfect to go on your vehicle, take it to the next level for what you're trying to do with it. If you're unsure, it's no big deal. We're here. We've been here a long time. We're going to stay here for you, and we're happy to help you get there. Our guys are excited. They're enthusiasts just like you, and we've got everything you need under the hood, whether it's Z1, OEM, or the best in the aftermarket to pair with these products.